Welcome to EL Conversation Academy.
You have to choose.
You have to choose. आपको इंतखाब करना होगा.
No, no, no.
No. नहीं, नहीं, नहीं.
I'm not doing that.
I am not doing that. मैं ऐसा नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
Bob, please.
Bob, please. Bob, बराए मेहरबानी.
Help us decide what to wear.
Help us decide what to wear. ये फैसला करने में हमारी मदद करें कि क्या पहनना है.
Okay.
Okay, ठीक है.
Which skirt do you like?
Which skirt do you like? आपको कौन सा स्कर्ट पसंद है?
The red one.
The right one, सुर्खीक.
Great.
Great, जबरदस्त.
That's not so hard, is it?
That's not so hard, is it? ये इतना मुश्किल नहीं है.
Which shoes look better?
Which shoes look better? जूते देखो जो बेहतर है.
Those.
Those, वो.
Which sweater do you prefer?
Which sweater do you prefer? आप किसको बेहतर तरजीह देते हैं?
I like the purple one.
I like the purple one. मुझे जामुनी रंग पसंद है.
Bob, you like Marie's clothes more than mine.
Oh, you like Mary's clothes more than mine. Bob, आपको मुझसे ज़्यादा मेरी के कपड़े पसंद है?
No, I don't.
No, I don't. नहीं, मैं नहीं करता.
That's not true.
That's not true. ये यकीन नहीं है.
Then which dress do you prefer?
Then which dress do you prefer? फिर आपको कौन सा लिबास पसंद है?
That one.
That one, वो एक.
This is Marie's dress too.
This is Mary's dress too. ये भी मेरी के कपड़े हैं.
What's wrong with my clothes?
What's wrong with my clothes? मेरे कपड़ों में क्या खराबी है?
Nothing. Nothing.
Nothing. कुछ नहीं.
I like your clothes.